What's good, my people? Let's make another money today. I'm going to show you step by step on how I'm going to do this, guys. As you can see, my Binance balance of 7,627.30, that is equivalent to cash of 983,769, guys. Let me refresh it so you can see it's real. As you can see, it's real, guys. So guys, how did I make this money? I'm going to show you step by step how I do trading on crypto arbitrage. I do trade crypto arbitrage simply by buying low and selling high, guys. When I say buying low and selling high, it means you can buy crypto from one exchange and sell higher on another exchange. It's very, very easy. So without wasting much time, let's hop on it. So the first step, guys, you need to do is you need to find an exchange called Binance.com. All right, you need to go to Binance.com, this one, Binance.com, which will redirect you to my Binance.com with the same URL, so do not worry. And this is a very regulated exchange by SEC, founded in 2020, and you can see the certificate is all here. Okay, guys, so after you have found now the exchange, you need to create the account. All right, you need to create account. Just come on, click on login, and then you need to click on create account, guys. Once you create the account and confirm everything, you need to verify your KYC, know your customer, and then everything. Now after you have done that, the next step, you need to log in, guys. Okay, so I'm going to log in direct to my account. As you can see, now I'm logged in, and you can see I have done a total of 48 trades. And even today I did many trades, guys. Let me show you. As I go to my transaction history here, you see today is on 10th February 2026, and these are the trades that I have been doing. So guys, without having a lot of stories, as you can see, my wallet balance has 0. Okay, see, I have 0 0.06. So how do we buy USDT on Binance and sell it on Binance? How do we buy on Binance.com and sell it on Binance.com? Okay, in a profit. And that's what I'm going to do. We simply do that by doing the trades on P2P, guys. All right, so how do we do the trades on P2P? First, we need to spot a trader, a vendor that we will sell our profit, our USDT to, and get profit. So how do we do that? First, I will click on 3 dots here, and then I'll come on P2P trading, and then I'll click on sell. All right, and then here I'll choose USDT because it's what I want to trade with. And then amount, I'll put the amount I have, which is $1,000 I'm going to use. And then I will scroll down and I will find the traders. These are the vendors now, the ones that are selling. And guys, if I click to this vendor name here, you can see I'll see all the vendor information. You can see he's called Coffee Mensa, and a trading volume of $2 million, performance overview, everything is here. Even the reviews are positive, so this means this is the right vendor to use and trade with. That's how you can check if the vendor is okay or not. So after you have now figured the vendor, guys, let me go back there. After you have figured the vendor, you need now to see if the vendor. So guys, after you have figured that, now you need to find how much the vendor will make you if you put $1,000. So I will click on this vendor and put $1,000. As you can see, the vendor will make me 1,017. That's $17, and I don't need that. I need to make a bit more money. And if I choose this one now Nomsat dear money, I put $1,000, I will get to 48. I need more, so let me find another one. As you can see, this one has 1.42, so I'll click on sell to him and put 1,000, and you see I will get 1,395, guys. All right, okay guys, so now you see I will get 1,395. All right, So now the next step I need to do, so yes guys, let's continue. So now the next step I need to do, guys, I need to click on continue, but you see I can't continue click on continue because it says the error here, amount exceeds vendor minimum, all right, of more than 790. So I need to find the right vendor with the amount. So you can see this one, minimum limit of 1000 to 1250. So this one is 1124. Let me try this one, 1000. You see the same thing, the error. So I will find the vendor who has higher limits but good price. Or what I will do, guys, I will put 900 instead. Let me sell to this one and put 900. Still not working, so I will put the maximum that they are saying, which is 790, which you see it has confirmed. So if I continue click, you see it's saying you need to deposit 790 USDT in your funding wallet. You have 0.006. all right. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to deposit 790 on my funding wallet. So I'll click on deposit here, and let me log in again, guys. Sometimes it's somehow tripping, so I will go back and log in, and then I'll go to wallet, deposit USDT, and I will choose 790, continue, and then I will go and copy this address, okay. And then after that, I'll go, after copying the address, I'll go to my Binance. As you can see very well, you need to be very careful here. On my Binance, I have 7,627. So I'm going to click on assets and click send, and then withdraw crypto. And then I'll choose USDT and long press the address that I copied from there. And then the network, I'll choose TRX, and amount, I will choose 791 because of $1 fee. And then I'll withdraw. Very nice, guys. It's very easy. And now I need to confirm this. So guys, you see now the withdrawal is processing. Nice, beautiful. Now guys, you don't move from here. I need to take the screenshot like that, and then I will go back to the deposit section and I will tap on upload screenshot. Make sure you upload the screenshot, guys. And then I tap and upload the screenshot. And then after that, I will click on the submit button. Nice. So the deposit has been submitted and it's pending verification on the blockchain. All right. It's very easy like that, guys. So now the next step I need to do, guys, is just to wait for the deposit to be approved by the blockchain. While I wait, and then once it's approved, I will get back to you and show you how the trades will work. Okay, it's very easy. Just don't worry, and just be with me as the deposit is being approved. So guys, it has been a few minutes now. I need to refresh. Let me refresh and see. Oh, I will go back to deposit history and check. Oh yes, it has been now processed. So if I go back to my wallet, you can see now I have 790.06 USDT. So now it's time now to trade and make the profit. So the next step, I'll click on the three dots, and then I will go scroll down and click on P2P trading, choose sell, and then I'll choose USDT. And then guys, after choosing USDT, I'll put amount 790 that I have in my wallet, and then I will go. And now remember guys, these vendors keep on shuffling because of the market liquidity. Okay, our vendors keep shuffling their market prices. So for now we will not find the vendor that we had found before here. We need to find a different vendor. Okay, so I'll click on load more vendors to see the one who has the best offer. As I continue like this, guys, I found one that called Petra Novak. You can see the reviews are okay and everything. All right, so I will now go to Petra Novak. Let me put the amount here, 790. and then I'll go to Petra Novak. It's a sell. I'll choose sell, and then I'll find the Petra Novak. Okay guys, just be patient because this one needs some patience. All right, now you can see also the Petra Novak has already gone. But guys, if maybe when you click on a vendor name to see the reviews, it's hard, you can just simply use the 4.9. 4.9 means this person is best. 4.9 review out of 5. That's 4.9 stars. This one is the best and has 1.40, which is very fine. I need to be fast and execute a trade with Omar Traore. So I'll click on sell to Omar and then put amount 790. You see I'm getting 1082. So that's to mean guys, I'm getting a profit of about $280. Okay, so I'll continue very fast and then I'll choose payment, and then here I'll choose this summary guys. Remember to choose this, very careful and very important, and then I'll click on payment. Then I'll choose USDT. Now here you are receiving address. This is where now the vendor will send the amount to. So I'll go back to my Binance, and then I will go on add funds, deposit crypto, and then I'll choose USDT and then TRX, and then guys I'll copy the address and then I will paste it here, paste on the receiving address, and then submit. Okay, it's beautiful, just like that. So now you see the vendor, the trade has been submitted. Sorry guys, the trade has been submitted. So now what I need to do is to text the vendor, hi, please check. Okay, okay guys, so I will do that and then click on send. So I'm waiting for the vendor to, okay, you see the vendor has replied, wait for me to release once I do the payment. So what I wait guys is for the vendor to release the trade to my Binance address that I have provided. Okay, as you can see the transaction here, I'm waiting for the vendor to pay this amount to my wallet. Okay, so as we wait, let's wait and see how long it will take. Just be with me and remember to like this video, leave a like, and like this video, share to many more other people for the same guys. Okay, so let's wait for the vendor to pay. So now guys, as you see, the transaction has been approved apparently. So you see, great news, payment has been sent to the vendor 1000. Okay, so it needs me to release guys. So what I need to do now here, I need to go to my Binance and check whether the payment was sent really. Okay, yes, oh yeah, you can see the payment was paid here. Okay, 1104 as is requested. So now what I need to do guys is just to click on release button, this one, release. Beautiful. Remember guys, do not release that trade if you have not confirmed whether you received the money in your account. Okay, so now after doing that, because this Omar Traore did a very good trade, I will now leave a 5-star review and say that Omar is the best vendor ever. Okay, and then I will submit the review, and beautiful, that's how guys I made that money. Let me show you how much I made. Actually, I did a trade of 1790 and I got 1104. That's 314 guys, that $314 I got in that trade, times my currency of 128, that's 40,000 Kenyan shillings. And if guys, I do 10 trades I can do maximum of 21 trades every day. So times 21, that's 6,694. But remember, once you reach, so there's some time when you can do like 5 or 2 trades, and there your account will be restricted. But the option here is to always make sure you do 1 trade every day. So like that, I will do that this, and then I will come back some other time and do more other trades, guys. So do not hesitate, guys, to come and watch this video. I will post this video on my account. This is my account on TikTok, and also I will post it on my YouTube. Those who are on my YouTube channel, I will post it on my YouTube channel that has over 470,000 subscribers. You see, I will also post it here. I have over 470,000. To access my YouTube channel, just come to my TikTok and then click on this link that it's here. And then once you click the link, it will take you to my Telegram channel, where I will also post my YouTube link so that you can go and watch. Okay, so this is my Telegram channel, guys, where I post signals every day. And once you come here, you will also find a video like this with the watch video that redirects you to my YouTube. So thank you for watching this video, guys, and I wish you all the best, and I wish you the best in your trading journey, and happy new month of February 2026. Thank you so much.